Cool. It says they have an hour. Excellent. I don't know if this is working or not. Let me see. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, excellent. Um, Probably I'll add my camera just in case, right? Let me see. Display, capture video. Um, right? Right then. Yep. Good. Awesome. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Well, we're gonna do this one without the. Something tells me it's still working. I have a light in here. This is right. That's the reason to remove it. There you go. Now it's totally not there. Okay. So first thing first. Um, let's say you want to your Windows computer, right? First thing you have to do, it's super simple. Update your drivers. Do a Windows update. Press update. Simple, right? Very simple. I don't know why this is taking so long. Uh huh. Anyways, you get the idea, right? I think it's stuck. No, it's not stuck. Oh, we just got the settings, right? Open settings. Boom. Okay. So you wanna go to update security. That's one. Now I wanna do this. See, check for updates. I don't have any updates. I'm supposed to get like the May, but don't get it. Don't install it. You're gonna get like errors, and it's not gonna be nice. So just if you get like the May update or some May update, don't update your software. It's not worth it. Like see. So my system is up to date. Great. Now, um, second thing you wanna do is very simple. Um, my computer. I mean, I do like this thing, like the call. I mean, I like this thing, like my system. I love my system. My system is good. I don't need a lot of fancy stuff. For example, you see, like I mean, it doesn't have anything fancy at all. Like even like this, I move this thing. The reason I'm doing this, it's because I only have 4 gigabytes of memory, and this computer is super freaking slow. Like really slow. So I had to disable all of the. So what I did is simple. So I went to settings, visuals, or you can just go like personalize, right? Then background. Um, I kind of high contrast settings, sync your settings, show the brand for new team, show the style icons. Sync your settings. Let me see what that is. Settings so other devices using blah blah blah. No. See, you don't have to do that. Like you should not do that. Yeah, you should not do any of this. Because it's gonna be constantly looking for emails, gonna be constantly looking for stuff. So you don't want that. Sign in options, Windows, Hello Face. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Oh, yeah, you don't need that. Basically, use my sign to automatically finish setting on my device and reopen my apps after an update. Mm, Something tells me we should do this. Access to work or school family, sync your settings. No, like I said, don't, don't, don't do that. How do I go back? Nope. Okay. Um, that's one. So I'll go one by one. Background. You don't really need a background. I don't really remember um, how you disable the background, but you have an option for disabling the background. Now you're only doing this because you have an old computer. Like find new teams. Yeah, this thing. I would love to see this. Just What is that? Make text and maps easier to see. Okay, I like that one. I'm doing this because I already have like a lot of stuff turned it off. Like you should have it already like on. Oh shit. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, I see it. I see. This thing is making everything crazy. Yeah, I don't like it. I like it like regular, like easy. Um, no wonder. So display. Simple text. Make everything bigger. Yeah. Make everything brighter. Yeah. Show animations in Windows. Let's see the animations. See those things. You don't really need it. Like no, you don't. You don't need them. Transparency. What is transparency? Oh, it's just like color. Hmm. It's just adding more. How do you call this thing? Visuals effects. Okay. Um, how about that? There you go. See? Now we're back on it. Let's do it in a small window. Yep. Nope. Yeah. Nope. Now, why you gonna turn off the background image? Simple. You don't need it. You actually don't need it. Let me see. Yeah, see? It's just like something that you don't need it. I mean, but if you really wanna like make it look fancy, go ahead. Um, I'm only doing that. I really like this wallpaper. Background settings, additional. You already like turn on. What did I do that? High contrast science. I don't know where I changed my disco on. I mean, okay, back. Um, colors, transparency effect. Oh, I see. You see how this window right here, the transparency changes? See, see now there's no more. I mean, I don't really have that. Mm, I don't really need it. Choose it. I don't need it. No, no, I don't need it. Lock screen. Not too much things to do here. Teams. I'll show you something later on Teams on how to modify your stuff. So far, just just use whatever you like. Probably use this one. I kind of like this one. Cake OS. I was thinking about restoring my computer, starting from scratch, but I have a lot of info in here. I don't really wanna erase it right now. Yeah, it would be a pain in the ass right now. Font, just keep it like that. Yeah, star. Show up in this list. Yeah, show recently added apps. Sure. Yeah, taskbar. I basically turn off all of these things. You don't need them. Replace command prompt with. Okay, you need this. Okay, I mean, I don't really use it. I don't need it. Okay. Select which object with the taskbar. Turn system icons on or off. How about that? Clock. Let me see. It's gone. I don't need this one. Action center. Like what do you need this thing for? It's not even. I mean, occasional Bluetooth. Mm, don't need it. It's just taking me like space. No good. Microphone. I don't need it. I don't even have. I mean, I'm not gonna be using microphone here for a reason. Location. Location there. See how we're cleaning this. Input indicator. No. Let me see. Power. Power. Yeah, I don't need power. Network. Yeah, I do need network. Volume. Yeah. Clock. Yeah. Those are basically the only things you need. So you clean it. Uh, multiple displays. Yeah, you can do this, but later. I mean, when you have a different display, people should pick on no. no, no, no. Okay, cool. We're done in there. So that's one. Now gaming. If you don't really play video games and you have an old computer or any of this gaming thing on, nothing. No, no, no. See, no captures. No. See background recording. No. No, no. Record audio when I record a game. Hmm. Yeah. I mean, I can play, but low end games. Background recording. Capture your previous place by recording your game in the background. Sure. Oh, no, 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 no. See, no good. Quality is better than quantity. Um, hmm, man, there's a lot of stuff that you need to do. See, like, I'll just keep it like this. Like, just out in there. Game mode. Uh, I don't know how to turn off like this one by itself. I mean, I don't even have an Xbox, so I don't really know what to do with this thing. Hurry up, Xbox. I don't have time for this. Xbox. Questions. Review. Right. Settings. Game on. Okay, game mode. Okay. I don't really know what this thing does. Cause I got a better one. Anyways, game on it's on. Turn it on. It might improve your like the velocity of your software hardware. Okay. Xbox Network definitely no. See, you should definitely put no, no, and no on this thing. Like you don't need it, especially if you don't have an Xbox. Yeah, don't get it. Gaming. So far we did this one, right? We did personalization, gaming update. Cortana. I don't know how many of you use Cortana. I actually don't. I don't think I need it. So I think I disable it. I don't need it. I don't want to use it. Search, find file. I haven't really touched this one. Ooh. Windows Cloud Search. Show my cloud content in Windows. No. History. Improve on device searches using apps, settings, and other history from my signing device. No. That's not cool. Um, Indexing, classic search, entire PC, include your libraries and desktop, customizable. Your data will be take place and connect to power. This automated your battery life and increase speed. No. So no, 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 no. Learn more. No. That's something you don't want to do. Next thing, simple. Go to apps. See if you have an app that you don't need. Let's say pretty much probably this one. Where is it? Mm, I don't know. What do you need? Salvador pequeño, grande. Salvador. Como estos y estos. All right. Um. All right. So yeah, anything for example, I don't think I need this one. I sincerely don't need it. Just click on install. Yes, 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 yes. And install. Finish. Boom. Tasha batch. Yes, 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 yes. I don't know about this one. No, I don't need it. There you go. Boom. Okay, that's good. And FL Studio, I needed free make video convert version. We'll just keep it there. Um, go to meeting. Come back. Intel. Uh, everything. Oh, I got good. Okay, no wonder. Okay, Cody Lifebook application panel. Mass tube. I don't know what that is. Maybe I need it. Okay, I don't know what that. Wait, what is this thing doing here? Hmm. Slack. You know what? I don't really use the Slack. Skype. I might need it in the future, not right now. Text aloud, Ultra ISO Premium. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, cool. Default apps, offline maps. What's this thing doing? Hmm. I don't need that. No, no, nope. Apps or websites. Uh, mm, I'm- see, I try not to add stuff in my laptop, like especially if I don't need it. This one is yes. One thing I really realize is like I really need this thing. I need this one. I really need it. It's just for my audio drivers. Everything else you don't need it actually. You just need whatever the basic thing is. You know, like audio, freaking audio. I mean, I might need this one because it's also audio. This one enhance my audio capabilities. It's like a extra hard drive, extra boost on the volume. Okay, Cortana system apps network and internet system. Oh, I do this one. This is good for you. You know, like you need to set up this for you. You know, because you wanna make sure your eyes are cool. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you need to be doing here. Notification. Any of this, you don't need nothing. I mean, unless you really, I'm telling you this from my point. I mean, from my point of view that it doesn't do any advanced stuff, I guess, and it only has like a slow machine sound. Yeah, let's get focus assistant off. What? Choose the times and activities when you don't want to be disturbed or focus. Okay. Yes. 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 Uh. mm, this is okay. It's not bad. It's good. Battery. Okay. Battery saver. Okay. You don't. I mean, I never use this. Project your Windows Phone or PC to this screen. Hmm. Um. mm, I don't. Okay. You don't want that. You don't want people to be, trying to connect to you. Clipboard off, remote, everything off, about everything off. Virus threat protection. Okay. This should be good enough, so if we get to updates, gaming, personalization, let's go to network and internet. Uh, sharing options. This is more advanced. You don't. I mean, there's a few things you need to do in order to increase the speed internet, the Wi-Fi internet on your account. I devices off. No, most of them off. You don't really need it. Printer. If you don't have a printer, just erase it. Everything that you don't have. Pen. 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 Just say no. Autoplay. Maybe USB. Yes. Typing. You know what? Even though this thing is like this, it doesn't do it for me. This one is good. I mean, either way, what is the point? No, no. Okay, good. So that's done. So pretty much here is done. Okay, now that is the basic. The next thing you need to do it's simple. You're gonna use CMD. You're gonna open it. Then you're gonna press CHKDSK slash. It says access denied as you don't have sufficient privilege or the disk might log blah blah blah. Okay. Anyways, the way you do it is simple. You press CMD. I mean CMD. Oh shoot. Wrong fingers. CMD. There you go. Press in as administrator, right? Then you press CHKDSK. Oh, sorry. Again. CHKDSK -F. Okay. Let's see. CHKDSK-F. There you go. It's gonna ask you that to scan this thing, to your volume for errors. In case if you find like something bad, you just say yes. I'm gonna say no because I already did it, so I'm cool with it. It's very important you do that. The next thing is you need to download a software that allows you to optimize your system. Okay, what is called Glary or Gary. What is it? Glary. There you go, Glary. Okay, so you just press yes, right? It's gonna open right here. It's gonna pop up, boom. To fix, I need to fix this. See, I got two of these software things. Kind of, I mean, I use this one and this one, both. First thing first, repair the frag. First thing you have to do. This one don't do it. Like, there's a lot of like. The problem with this space of cleanup is that it doesn't it doesn't it doesn't think about what is better for you. Like it's not like it knows that you need something. It's just looking for stuff that never has been used, I believe, and then they just erase it. Not good. Free up memory. Let's do that one. Now optimize. Boom. See? Easy, simple. That's all you do. Thanks. That's all you do. You optimize this and that's all you do. Optimize it. It's done. Browser assistant, nah, you don't really need this one unless you have malwares. Erase history, maybe. No, no. Startup bytes, you definitely need to modify this one. This one is something that you need. For example, see, I don't need this one. I don't need this one either. That's it. All I need is my audio stuff. That's it. Nothing else. See, everything else like Adobe, Google, Cleaner, Windows, Fujitsu, Intel, Google, that stuff, you don't need it. That is gonna definitely increase your speed. Um, I don't really go through all of these things. The last time I was playing, let me see. Oh, they're good. Probably need to do this one. Oh, this is what I did at the beginning. You remember the command? That's the same thing, just then in their own utilities. Man, yes, definitely. You want to pick up your hard drive. You want to pick up the frac, right? The frac and optimize. Use once a week. I like it. Okay. I already did this. Good right now. I think my system is pretty fast, pretty cool. Um, not fragmented. Damn. What it says here? Boot time from. Okay. So definitely don't do that. Well, I mean, do it, but back up your computer now. System restore no. Only changes no. Boot defragment yes. Drivers backup. I don't know, man. There's so much stuff when it comes to drivers. Let me see what this thing says. I already have all of my drivers updated, so I don't really need to update anything. Ooh, what it says here? Version, release date. Okay. Oh, it's just telling me like, oh, select that you want to back up. Okay, how about update? No device with outdated drivers. Duh. So these are the drivers that are very, very hard to find, like super hard to find. I don't know about Samsung. Oh yeah, this one too. Okay. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh yeah, I updated my BIOS like 3 times, 4 times already. Okay. 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 Cool. Done. I don't need to update nothing. And this is just one. Once you go through all of these tools, you click here and then boop, start scanning. I don't want to do it. I don't need to. Next thing you want to do is driver booster. Oh man, this one's like the best one. I really like this one, especially because the free version allows you to update at a minimum level, but it's good enough so you can fix a few of the biggest issues that your computer has. I use it all the time. I just like to scan it, but so far I don't need nothing else. The last thing I updated was this one because I was testing other video software. I mean video drivers. So okay, battery, Samsung. This is the game boost that I use. Like it does help me. I'm not gonna use it now. Okay, that's one, two, and then I got one more app. It's called ABG right here. Now this app, I've been knowing it forever, like for like the past 10 years, probably 9, 8, 10 years, and I love it. It's not bad. It's good. Very, very good. The only issue is that before it used to be called TuneApp Utilities, but ABG antivirus software bought them and they fuck it up. Like they just want, they just start charging money like for all these fucking things, when you used to have it. I mean, you used to have all these things for like right now I only have this. Before you used to have viruses, password, driver. The driver update thing was amazing before. It was so cool. Like you executable file, and once you download it, you create a backup of your drivers. You just press execute that file, and then boom, the drivers are magically installed again. Sucks because now you have to pay. So if yeah, you have to pay now. It's not cool. VPN, you don't really need it. And you know what? Before this thing used to have like a system that allows you to modify um, the feel and look of this thing, which was great. But now not anymore. Like you cannot do anything anymore. I mean, it's just like an optimizer. That's it. Oh shoot, I'm doing that. Cancel, cancel, cancel. I don't want to do it right now. That's it. And then lastly, the last thing you wanna do is this bad boy. So this is my 15th memory RAM. I mean, I got 4 gigs of memory, right, for my laptop, but it was very slow. So I had to do all of that optimization inside my computer. And dude, before was super slow. Now it's kind of decent. It's not like the best, but it's decent. And what I did, it's simple. So you go to your PC, right? You plug in your USB like I do. See, it says 15 gigabytes. Then you press format, right? And you're gonna choose NTFS. Then capacity, okay, or just put restore device to defaults, and then choose NTFS. Put a label on it, and then start. Once you do that, the next thing you have to do is come here. It's gonna show you like 15 gigabytes. Just come here, properties, right? Then you're gonna go to Ready Boost, use this device, and then click apply. And this thing is gonna do like for you to use this as memory. It's good. It's an extra boost. It's not the best, but it helps. It does help. Like I have my like with me, like man, it really helps. All right, so that's one, two, three, four, five. Okay, dream. Really, 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 just pick up one of your key teams, any team. I mean, I think let's see, let's do that one. Let me see how it looks. I never use these skins really. See, my mouse just change it. No, uh-oh, me no likey. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? Oh my god, this is not cool. How about this one? I want the black pointer. No, no, no. Oh, okay. This one's a little better. um, um, kind of looks. I mean, hmm, doesn't look that bad. Yeah, I don't like it. But you see, just choose something that you like. I like this one. Oh shoot, it changes. Uh-oh. Danger, danger. What is this? Ooh, what is this? Oh, I remember. I kind of look like this thing, right? But it's not made for this ski. I mean, for this system. That's the reason. So we can use this one. Change my mouse. Shit, it changes. Okay. See, this is the one I like. I use a lot. I don't know. There's something about this that I like it. It's just the icons, I guess. Yeah. Oof.